Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. I am happy to inform you that I published the book on Amazon for the NTA NET Paper 1. The title of the book is NTA UGC NET Practice Workbook Paper 1. This book consists of 50 practice papers with uniquely framed questions. This will be very helpful for the NET aspirants for facing the upcoming NET exam very confidently. I request you all to share this information with your contacts. Interested people can read the book freely or buy the book at Amazon. The link for the Amazon is given in the description box. Kindly refer it. Today we are going to see the important questions in teaching aptitude. According to the Jean Piaget, child learns about the world by using their senses to interact with the environment. Pre-operational stage, sensory motor stage, concrete operational stage, formal operation stage. The right answer is sensory motor stage. Question 2. Consider the scenario. A child is able to use the object to represent something else, such as pretending a broom is a horse. According to the Jean Piaget, a child is in which stage? Pre-operational stage, sensory motor stage, concrete operational stage, formal operation stage. The right answer is pre-operational stage. Third question. Consider the scenario. A child may unconsciously follow the rule. If nothing is added or taken away, then the amount of something stays the same. According to the Jean Piaget, a child is in which stage? Pre-operational stage, sensory motor stage, concrete operational stage, formal operation stage. So the right answer is concrete operational stage. Question 4. According to Jean Piaget, schema building occurs as a result of modifying the new information to fit the existing schemes and by modifying the old schemes as per the new information. These two processes are known as assimilation and adaptation, accommodation and adaptation, liberation and modification, assimilation and accommodation. The right answer is assimilation and accommodation. Match the following. In the list 1 they are given the stages. In list 2 they are given the years. First one is pre-operational stage. Second one is sensory motor stage. Third one is concrete operational stage. Fourth one is formal operational stage. The right answer is pre-operational stage means it is 2 to 7 years. Okay. Then sensory motor stage years means it is from birth to about 2 years. Then concrete operational stage years means it is 7 to 11 years. Then formal operational stage means it is 12 to 15 years. So the right answer is 4132. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For further updates, you can join the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the video as well as in the description box. Kindly refer it. Once again, thank you all.